Hello YouTube, welcome to Sunday in the Shop. We finally got our yard mowed. See that? Mowed out there. Plywood, we're going to tell you about that. That is 2 foot by 4 foot. They're called like handy panel. You can load it in the car if you need a piece of plywood. I took some raw linseed oil and 1/3 mineral spirits, paint thinner mineral spirits, thinned it down and did like 2 coats on this side and 3 on the other side. The other side is a smooth side. Sorry I can't give you a picture of. This one has the knots and stuff. Okay, we'll go in and tell you the story about that, but show you the tractor. Some people may never seen it. Plenty of junk. Don't even want to show the junk. We got a mess. This is where this is going to go. There's a low spot out here. Okay, it goes down. We're going to dig this out. We have to go buy a shovel. We don't have a shovel. Our shovel's long gone, broken. I used the handle for make a walking stick, but anyway, we're rambling, but oh well. We're going to the bench. We'll just freehand this. This won't be a long video this week. I am beat. I'm tired. I just got done mowing, and I did all this first this morning. So 9 o'clock. It's probably about 2:30. So I've been hitting it pretty hard. So we'll go to the bench, and I'll tell you about that piece of wood that was on sale. Okay, we'll let you stare at this. This goes on about, these are like $3 in the clearance section. I got a package of 2 of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Anyway, the piece of plywood, okay? I got this wrote down. I looked on the website before I go, and I always pick my store, okay, what store I'm going to. They said they had 6 of them. That's good. So we go in there, and on the website, it was, here, we'll just put it on here. Website was $11.99 regular price, sale limited time for $7.99 with an 88-cent rebate, which was $7.11. Okay, we get to the counter and the clerk goes, well, it's rung up $11.99. The wife goes, no, that ain't right. That's on sale. Well, some stores, different regions, and we're both going, no, at the same time. No. I said, you're not doing this to me again. I went through this before here. So the time we're done, we had 3 clerks standing around trying to figure this out. They go, well, that's going to be the price after the rebate. No. Here's the price after the rebate. My wife took a picture on her cell phone, okay, the page. You can clearly see on top of the page where it says my store and the town that we're at, okay? Up at the top of your page where it says Menards. If I didn't say that's where I bought this. Okay. And then the clerk goes, well, we'll give it to you for that price anyway. And we're both saying, well, of course you're going to. So it ain't the first time I went through that in these kind of stores, big box stores. If you want something, especially if it's something that costs any kind of money, but anymore I do it for anything like this that's on sale. It might be a drill or something. Take a picture of the web page, because they tried that. Well, different regions. No. The online price is the same price in the store. I already checked. We already went through this. So there's the story of that. A small rant there. So that's what I bought it for. Well, that's what they wanted for a 1/2-inch piece. This, what I bought, was 3/4. If I didn't mention it, it's 3/4 of an inch. And here's my thing where I figured out the weight on that. Okay, I had a 16-inch long piece. It weighed 45 pounds on my bathroom scale. Well, that gives you 2 here. Well, if you chop down 4 feet, you're going to get 16 3 times. So that's 5. 5 times 45, I did my math right, it's 225. And you add the tire machine and the wheel, it's probably going to be 250 pounds. So I hope I don't tip the thing over, because the tire machine is going to set right at the very center, and then of course you got the piece goes down like this where the tire sets like that. Sorry about my crappy drawing. I can draw a circle freehanded pretty good if I take my time. I used to practice it. But there you go on that. I won't even take a picture of that. But there's a story about the plywood. Okay, we'll pause. We'll give you one more little thing before we're done today. I don't know what it's going to be. Oh, it's just going to be a surprise. Okay, we're going to attempt without a tripod. Everybody's mowing. So we're going to show you how we're winding this rope on here. Okay, we had it wound back and forth evenly. Okay, as we were using it this winter on the snow blade, it pinched down in the center and got all snagged up. Kind of like when your fishing reel The spinning reel, it winds back and forth evenly, but I don't think that could happen. But it happens on your spin cast, you know, like your old Zebco 202. You get on something snag tight, it pulls down in there and snaggles. Okay, this is what we did. We're going to attempt to show this, okay? Bear with me. This is how we're winding this up now. We're going back and forth. Like that. That way when it pulls, it's got an X pattern. It might not pull down into the spool of rope. Because I threw away about, well, I didn't throw it away. I did throw away about 5-6 feet, and I got about 10 feet I chopped off. Because there's plenty on here for what I need to do. If I get stuck somewhere, I'll grab another rope to get me unstuck in the winter. But there you go. We'll snap a photo of that, how that shows I wound that back and forth. So thanks for watching this week. I look forward to seeing you next weekend.